So on Monday, after my London session trade, I said, you know what, Ra? You deserve to go and have some fun with the nice weather that's happening outside. So guess what I did? I did exactly that. I wanted to go to the beach, went to New Smyrna Beach, did some fishing. It was a really awesome day. But we'll talk later about that. We can talk later about that. This is about trading and my adventures, of course. So check out after I finish the trade in the video. There's another explanation after that. And then after that, I'm gonna post some pictures of what happened and the fishes that I caught, or some of the fishes that I caught. So yeah, stay tuned for that after the video. Let me know in the comments. And okay, what we are here for. Hello everyone, Ra Saint Legacy Futures Trading Group for VanLife Day Traders, and today is Wednesday, August 27th, 2025. And check this out. This morning, okay, I texted one of my students and I told him we will have it 6:10 in the morning, and I said, hey, I'm following this. He already knows my trading strategy, he knows my trading rules, he knows everything. He's practicing, he's been doing great. And 36 minutes, I mean less than half an hour later, I was done for the day. So okay, let's get this out of the way. So this is what we had here. Okay, we had I explained the trade in the comments, so let me know in the comments what you think. It's really important because there's a great example of trading goals. So enjoy the video, hope you like it, you learned something, and let me know in the comments. Good morning everyone, Ra Saint here, Legacy Futures Trading Group, VanLife Day Traders, Wednesday, August 27th, 2025. It's 5:54 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. We are trading the London session. And we have a nice potential buy setup potential. Okay, I am just analyzing the market. This is not financial advice. Don't go saying Ra said. Okay, this is just how I analyze the market per my legacy futures trading strategy. And at 6 in the morning, 6:05 around that, in the next 10 minutes we should have a new minor entry level. We have a major entry level here right at the 23,601. Let's mark that for those of you that don't know about these levels. We said 23,601. Oh, I forgot something. Okay. There we go. 23,601. Market tested it once. Check out how market has been reacting around that level. And if you go way back, okay, we have all week reacting around that level. So that's a really important level. That's why I call it main entry level. Then we have a support zone here, 23,584.50. It's gonna be right in the middle here, give or take 4 points, and you have a first level of support, second level of support, third level of support. Remember, this is not me just throwing numbers out there. These are tools that help me identify those levels. But anyway, uh, the thing is, I am looking for, and that needs to be confirmed with price action, of course. Always price action will confirm any analysis, setup, etc. Okay, we have a actually it comes from way up here. Resistance trend line. What I want to see is a move to the downside, swap, market reacting around any of these three levels, and then a bounce and a push up above that main entry level. I am looking for, I always say, trading gold trading plan. I look for trading gold, my personal goal, that's me, 15 to 20 NQ points. Okay, and we have that divided by 2 equals, let's say, 8 to 10 points per contract. Okay, 15 to 20 points, that's $300 to $400. I trade 2 contracts, so anywhere between 8 to 10 points per contract. Now, how much we have here? We have from, let's say, from level to under resistance, wait, let's say 6, we have 11 and 3/4 points. That's a reasonable trade per my trading goal. Now if we go from support to resistance, and I am not saying I'm trading from support to resistance, but we have 19 points there. Let's say we catch 60% of the move, which is, it's a, we could say 50-60%. So 50% of that move, that's 19 divided, that's 9.5 points. It goes within my price profit. What I was saying here, I don't even remember, sorry. So anyway, 9.5 points per contract. Okay, points per contract, 9.5. So it fits right in there. So this trade setup is, it's good for me. Okay, actually, market just open. I'm gonna wait for that retracement, and then I push to the upside. I'm gonna take my floating order.
Submitted.
Let me move this here, and I'm gonna place it around. Actually, I'm gonna buy this candle. Let me wait, because they should do a little push to the downside. If they go below this pivot and that minor entry level, I will enter the trade. We have stop, I mean the extreme stop should be below this pivot, but I trade probabilities. Okay, I don't trade risk, I trade probability. So actually, yeah, let's wait. I'm waiting, so waiting for an order, and let's see what happens. Okay, I just jumped in 96.50. Profit at, or take profit at 650. That's 10 points, 20 points, $400. And I'm just, I would like the market to hit one of these support zones. And now I don't think they are going to. At least I don't know if they're going to or not. They took this low, which was the one that I was waiting for. Now let's see if they hold here, or if they find or if they break that resistance trend line and then they continue to the upside. This should be a really quick, nice trade. And now it's just a matter of waiting. And here we go. Yay. You see, I didn't feel like market was gonna hit any of those zones. There do is, I don't market, but there do is a really small support zone here. Okay, actually it's a little higher right here where market first went down, but that's a really small support zone. And market has been bearish, so you might say, right, if market is moving to the downside, this is a really small support zone, why are you buying? There is a specific reason market behaves. There is a very specific reason that I analyzed the market. I knew that we're gonna retest this high. When I say I knew or I know, just for those of you that don't know, when I say I know, I'm meaning it's highly probable. Okay, I trade probabilities. When I say I knew or I know, is that it's highly probable. Let's put it right there. Okay, so I knew they were at least gonna retest this level. They might come down and retest that support, those support zones. That I don't know. And when I say I don't know, is that I don't know if it's highly probable or not. It might not, maybe 50% chance. But market should go towards resistance zone. Like I mentioned, I trade probabilities. We're halfway there to our target, so it's just a matter of waiting a few more minutes. Maybe 5 more minutes. Maybe, I don't know how long, but it shouldn't take long. It shouldn't take much. So let's just wait and book another win. Okay, 6:30, pretty strong candle here. Okay, now it's just a matter of minutes, and yeah, it's just a matter of waiting a few more minutes. There we go. Come on. Okay. Just one more push.
Target filled.
Catching, target filled. Really awesome trade. Another catching for the legacy futures trading strategy. Okay, let's recap the trade, but let me do this first. Okay, let me get this out of the way. All right, we have here NASDAQ, sell, whoa, buy, setup, pop, we have enter. entry to contract at 23,596.50. Pop, we have target to contract at 23,606.50 for a nice round 10 points. Pop, we have total trade 20 points, which equals $400. Why? Because ¿por qué? Because we know market gives $20 per NASDAQ point. Boop. Really awesome trade. Trade explained from analysis, entry and target, entry level, support, resistance zones. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Okay, the most complicated thing is doing the proper analysis. Look how I was talking to one of my students yesterday about trading. Well, we were talking about gambling, actually, like casino gambling, and I don't gamble anymore. I used to, and I was pretty lucky at gambling. And he was like, well, if you have a strategy for gambling, why don't you? And no, I don't have a strategy for gambling. There is no strategy for gambling. It's just luck, and your chances are way against you. Your probability of success. And it's not the same in trading. A lot of people that don't understand trading, and when I mention I do day trading, they're like, oh, so you gamble. No, I analyze the market. I have a strategy. It's not gambling if you know what you are doing. If you don't know what you're doing, you buy or sell the market, you have 50% probability chance, and I would say even lower, because the odds are stacked against you. And of course, all of this is my opinion. So, no, trading is not gambling if you know what you are doing. If you don't know what you're doing, it's not gambling, it's just dumb. Okay, but that's just my opinion, of course. So, yeah, another perfect legacy futures trading strategy trade. Now, don't go because I'm gonna show you some pictures. And that's it. You want to learn my trading strategy? You want to join our trading group? Questions, comments, complaints, jokes. You know what to do. Saint Legacy Futures Trading Group. You have a great one. Ka-ching! Oh, I forgot why I was mentioning the gambling thing. Yeah, luck plays an important part in trading, and sometimes I'm like, whoa, that was lucky. Not because the market went my way, but because check this out. I had my trade profit at 23,606.50. It hit right there and it bounced right back. It hasn't reached resistance yet. That's why I always put my take profit a few points below resistance. In this specific occasion, I think I push it to the limit. And I'm not saying, oh, look how great trader I am that I took my profits right where market turn around but that's where luck comes in, and I am very grateful. Thank you, Father, because I shouldn't, and we all shouldn't take our profits where we want them to be. Okay, I said 8 to 10 points. I was ready to close the trade with 9 points, a little safer, okay, because I knew this could happen. Lucky again that I got my take profit filled right at the tick where market turned around. And this has happened a few times, and that's why it's so important, okay, having a trading plan and having trading goals. Well, actually, this is my trading plan. The goal is 3 to 400 bucks a day or per trade. Okay, if I want to trade 3 or 4 times, then just multiply that times 3 or 4. But that's not my idea. My idea is to get in, get out, get a few, and then go about my day. Now that was it. All right, so have a wonderful and blessed day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Check out the pics.